As providers of innovative fleet and vehicle equipment, Expertec is excited to carry the Slick Lock Van Puck locking system. The only drill-free, damage-free, rust-free commercial locking system. All other locking systems require drilling through the exterior of vehicles during installation. This causes permanent damage and, over time, excessive corrosion to the vehicle. The smart solution is the Slick Lock's commercial vehicle locking system. No holes are drilled into the vehicle exterior. Stainless steel, custom-fitted blade brackets pass between doors and install quickly using factory mounting points. With Slick Lock's Puck Lock, there is no damage or corrosion to your vehicle. It's easy to install. Virtually eliminates theft. All makes and models of vans are covered. Visit our online shop at expertec.ca to buy your Slick Lock today.